Yeah, we're gonna try the Jalapeno Cheddar Bites.
There you go.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
In today's episode, we're recreating the Jalapeno Cheddar Bite at Burger King. The first thing we need to do is taste these. So if we take a closer look, I want to pop it open and see what's actually inside. So I think we're going to be able to definitely make this a lot better. Just doesn't have a lot of cheese, right? I think, and the jalapeno, oh man, it really doesn't look like a lot of cheese at all in there. So yeah, we're definitely gonna make this better. So let me take a snack here and see if they're any good at all. I've never tasted these actually. Interesting. I'm gonna be able to blow that out of the water. So stick around in this episode. You're gonna find out a really good jalapeno popper. I've made jalapeno poppers a lot, but I've never made them like this, where it's a cheese ball with jalapenos diced up inside of it. And I know I can do this a lot better. This is decent for $1. You get 4 of them. I guess it's okay, but we're gonna do a lot better than this. For this recipe, we're gonna need 3 jalapenos, 4 ounces of cream cheese, 4 ounces of mozzarella cheese, 4 ounces of cheddar cheese, a half a cup of flour, 2 eggs, a cup and a half to 2 cups of breadcrumbs, and a half a teaspoon of salt, paprika, garlic powder, and onion powder. And then I'm going to show you how to put this together. Now that we have them all shaped, you want to put this in the freezer for a minimum of a half hour and preferably at least an hour. Now that we have that in the freezer, we'll go ahead and prepare our flour. All we're doing is adding our spices. Then we just want to give this a quick whisk to incorporate all the seasoning in the flour and set it aside. Next, you want to prepare your breadcrumbs in a dish where you can roll them once they come from the flour to the egg wash to the breading. Next, you want to crack your eggs. Then whisk your eggs. Now that we've had these in the freezer for about an hour, we're getting ready for the process of coating them up. But in the meantime, we want to make sure to preheat our grease to 350 degrees. This is a fairly simple process. You're just going to grab the cheese ball, then you're going to move it from the flour to the egg wash, to the breadcrumbs. Should look something like that. And you're just going to repeat the process 19 more times. Now that we have them all coated, we're going to move over to the deep fryer. Now that we have our Burger King poppers out, let's get a closer look at this, Sheila. Come here. So this is the Burger King popper. This is my popper. This is, sorry, it looks much better. This is, I mean, probably double in size for one. You could make it smaller, but why would you ever want to go any smaller than that on a jalapeno popper? All right, so let's crack this open. Let's get a look. Oh. Right, okay, I'm just gonna set this down. Let me just set it down right there. Now, let's pop this baby open. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Just look at that. That's a freaking jalapeno popper. I gotta try it. We'll talk about it in a second. Oh yeah, baby. If you're looking to make a popper, don't even think about going to Burger King. Just make your own. Let's talk about it. So much better. You know what you do with these? Trash. Just toss them in the trash. You know? Just eat these. I don't even need to really talk about how great these are. I think you can capture that right there in the camera, can't you? Look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Alright, so if you're wanting a jalapeno popper better than Burger King, give these a try. Follow the recipe to the T and you'll have the best popper you can get. This is a jalapeno popper. If you like this recipe and you think it's an awesome tasting, bursting flavor in your mouth, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it with your buddies. Until next time, we'll see you. And today's challenge is to recreate the Burger King cream. And today's challenge is to nice, Jax. He gets a drink every time.
Bobby, you're funny, Jack.
Alright. Alright, ready? A quarter cup of salt. A quarter cup. Shit, it ain't a cup. A quarter teaspoon. Jax.